How to hide highlights on Instagram. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Instagram app. So just tap on it. And once you open the app, you just need to make sure that you're logged in. The next step is to head over to your profile. Tap on the bottom right corner to head over to your profile. And once you land on your profile page, you'll be able to see your highlights right here. So if I just go ahead and tap on my highlight, as you can see, here are a few stories on my highlight, and all of my followers are able to see it. Now, if you want to hide your highlights without permanently deleting it, you just need to long press on the highlight, or just you can tap on it and tap on more, and you can edit the individual story on your highlight. Click on this archive highlight option, and now your highlight is archived and only you can see it. Now, if you want to find your hidden archive, then just tap on the three lines at the top right, and from here head over to the archives option. Then tap on the post archive drop down, and you'll be able to see your story archives here. Then you'll be able to see different kind of stories, and if you tap here, you will see your highlights right on top. You can browse through your calendar, events, your location. So just tap on Story Archive, long press on it, and if you want to delete it, you can do that, or show on profile, you can do that as well. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.